Hello friends, I am here to introduce a method to find the spontaneity of the reaction by using the two methods. That is, one method is by using the equation, that is normal method. The delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, where delta G is change in Gibbs free energy and delta H is change in enthalpy, T is temperature and delta S is change in entropy. If the reaction is said to be spontaneous when the delta H is equal to negative, that means delta H minus T delta S must be less than 0. If the delta G is positive, then the reaction is said to be non-spontaneous. Then the next method is using this table. The reaction is said to be spontaneous at all temperature when the delta H is less than 0 and delta S is greater than 0. That means delta H is negative and delta S is positive. The reaction is said to be at spontaneous at high temperature when delta H is positive and delta S is positive. Both are positive. The reaction is said to be spontaneous at low temperature when delta H is less than 0. That means negative and delta S is less than 0. Both are negative. The reaction is said to be non-spontaneous when the delta H is greater than 0, that means positive, and delta is less than 0, that means negative. This will be helpful.